Hi, my name's Lars. This is Himlen. It's Swedish for heaven. Come on aboard. What I really enjoy was woodwork. So I did a lot of the dash and everything like that, including over here. Cup holders just makes it look a little nicer.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So, a little different part. Both couches, they'll flip out to where it'll be a bed straight across.
Okay.
I was looking at the pull out for a while, but decided to go the flip. That way it's more open for space. There is storage below them, and then more of the kitchen storage. So moving into the kitchen area, microwave, freezer, fridge. The propane panel is off right now, but that way I can reach in, turn the propane on and off. Also behind that is a hot water heater on demand. I didn't want any shelves or cupboards to block and take up room, so I went with the mason jars, each individual holder. So of course they can't rattle, make absolutely no sound going down the road.
Right.
Also with the kitchen racks, basic shelf, retaining bar on the front, just on a hinge. They can't move.
Right.
So the wood retaining bars don't have to be massive or anything like that. I also use 2 windows. I don't store food in there for any length of time, but with the windows tinted, it actually is not intrusive to a week and a half with
Right.
leaving some canned goods and stuff like that. Of course, I like my M&Ms going down the road. So I did, when I built it, all my plumbing fittings is either in the back with the water tank or on this wall. So if I have a water leak, it can only be in 2 places. All my sinks and drains are within 4 feet, with the gray water tank directly below it.
Yeah.
Because one thing I didn't want to do is have water lines going across and drain over here, drain over there. Everything's central.
That was my mistake.
This is actually my neighbor's old cedar picket fence. So a lot of this has been repurposed.
Yep.
Things like that, solar cedar for kitchen counter. The one person that was instrumental with doing all this is my good friend Rich. So he's got a lot of knowledge. Things. We actually built a full bathroom. And again, you can see where all the water fittings are, right in there. Shower, the whole drain pan, Rich actually bent and fabricated 2x4 brace for it, but works really well. And with the hot water heater being so close to the points of use, it really works great.
Yep. No waste.
Again, utilize the windows, because as everybody knows, storage is key. And for this, I brought the little compressor and tools and things like that if somebody needs to
Right.
work on anything. The bedroom, we designed it and we kept it more open. That way, initially, I'll build a little enclosure. Yeah, there's plenty of room in here. Plenty of storage underneath the bed. I was actually starting to design a little work table. One of the things right behind this wall, which is still work in progress, is a portable AC unit. And I fashioned ductwork out of downspouts.
Sure.
Each room has its own little vent. That way I can close and do whatever I need to.
Nice.
You know, I've got forced air going through it the whole bus, not just one area or in the roof. I can direct it.
Right. More storage.
This is actually the electrical.
Oh.
It's a mess right now.
Yeah, the electrical closets have a tendency to
They collect
a lot of things.
We put a little Ford solenoid on the bus batteries, so it'll flip back and forth. So I got the regular power panel. Right now it's all set up to run off the inverter and the batteries and be charged by solar. Got a regular charger in case I'm plugged in. Below here is the full bank of batteries. Okay. And they'll last a little bit. They're the huge deep cell. They actually span almost the entire closet, and there's 6 of those.
How much solar do you have on the roof?
I got 3 panels. Actual wattage I really don't know, but this is the first test run. We put them up about 2 weeks ago. And I'm purposely not taking the generator out or something like that to see how much they keep up, whether or not we need to add some more. Because right now the only thing pulling power is the fridge. And I charge my cell phone, computer.
Sure.
I did not go any light switches. I've only got 2 lights in the whole bus. And it's just a plug-in LED. But they provide lots of light.
Oh, yeah.
And I put one up in the kitchen. For the bathroom, I just used a toggle battery-powered LED. Cost me $3.
Right.
But as much as I use, I didn't want the intrusive or taking up an outlet. The one neat thing that we came up with, I'll show you. The electrical switch in the bathroom has actually got a 3-way switch with the kitchen.
Okay.
That 3-way switch is tied to my water pump. So I don't need the water pump running all the time because it's one of the sure flow on demand.
Right.
But I can turn on and off the water pump in either here or there, wherever I'm using water.
Sure.
Saves energy, saves power, saves the pump.
Right.
Might as well do that if you're... The cedar closet liner.
Yeah. Very nice.
I took the old lights off of the bus, used the existing wire, but just put in LED puck lights so if we're driving I can light up this whole thing.
Right. Well, thank you.
And that's the bus.
Very nice.
Yep, thanks.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more, so please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.